The ultimate TV lineup of 2023, must-have TVs for every home. Introduction. Hello, entertainment enthusiasts and couch connoisseurs. Get ready to elevate your viewing experience as we dive into the scintillating world of television technology in 2023. Whether you're a movie buff, a sports fanatic, a binge watcher, or a gaming guru, we've curated a list of the top 5 TVs that every person should have in their home. From breathtaking visuals to immersive soundscapes, these TVs are set to transform your living room into a cinematic wonderland. So, without further ado, let's unravel the ultimate TV lineup of 2023. Cinematic Bliss, the immersive experience TV. Indulge your senses in the immersive experience of a lifetime with the Cinematic Bliss TV. This masterpiece boasts a colossal OLED screen that seamlessly blends vibrant colors, deep blacks, and stunning contrasts, making every frame come to life. With Dolby Vision IQ and Atmos sound, you'll be transported right into the heart of your favorite movies. It's like having a private theater, minus the overpriced popcorn. The Game Changer TV, where gaming meets reality. Calling all gamers. The Game Changer TV is your passport to gaming nirvana. With its lightning-fast refresh rates, 8K resolution, and AI-powered graphics optimization, you'll witness your virtual worlds in unprecedented detail and fluidity. Plus, its built-in AI chatbot can offer gaming tips, tricks, and strategies, making you feel like you've got a gaming coach right in your living room. Sports Spectacle, the Stadium Experience TV. Get ready to cheer for your favorite teams like never before with the Sports Spectacle TV. Its massive screen and dynamic HDR bring every kick, slam dunk, and touchdown to life with jaw-dropping clarity. And with its multi-angle viewing mode, you can choose the best seat in the house for every game. It's like having courtside tickets to every match without the expensive concessions. The Multiverse TV, stream, surf, and savor. For the multitasking maestros and content connoisseurs, the Multiverse TV is a dream come true. With its split-screen multitasking capabilities, you can binge-watch your favorite series while scrolling through social media or video chatting with friends. Plus, its AI-powered content recommendation engine ensures you never run out of things to watch. It's like having the entire digital universe at your fingertips. The Zen Zone TV, relax, reflect, recharge. After a long day, unwind with the Zen Zone TV, your personal relaxation oasis. With its tranquil visuals, ambient sounds, and meditation apps, this TV is designed to help you escape the chaos and find your inner calm. Whether you're practicing mindfulness or enjoying stunning nature scenes, this TV is your gateway to serenity. It's like having a spa day for your soul, minus the cucumber slices. Conclusion. There you have it, fellow entertainment enthusiasts, the top 5 TVs of 2023 that cater to every kind of viewer. From cinematic extravagance to gaming marvels, from sports spectacles to immersive relaxation, these TVs are more than just screens, they're gateways to experiences that enrich our lives and redefine our leisure time. So whether you're living for drama, action, sports, gaming, or simply relaxation, these TVs are here to make your living room the epicenter of entertainment. Embrace the future of television, and let your screen be the canvas where your imagination paints the most vibrant stories.